We'll be driving down the state, yeah. Looking around for the next crowd, yeah. Going our own way, trying to find a new route, yeah. We'll be going in circles, trying to find a way, searching for the things we do, yeah. Dropped out without a choice, yeah. Hair blown round to the window, singing stupid noise. Or with you, I just wanna get to know ya. I wanna go far to the coast, yeah. I wanna drive fast to the ocean. I wanna know all of you. Growing old like a ghost, yeah. I wanna have kids of my own, yeah. Live a life till it's over. But until we do, it's sleeping too long. Yeah, I'm feeling a little crazy. Sat at home being lazy. Wanna travel till I'm 80, flying with you. Wanna take on the world and do something. Would you by my side like it?
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to do a vlog, a weekend in my life. It's been a while I did or recorded a vlog, so today that is all about it. Okay, a weekend in my life. Yes guys, I'm having a bad hair day. You can see that is why I have borrowed a lawyer. So here we go. So I am stepping out to go wash my car. I have a client to braid at 10 and I think it's around 8 a.m. So I have to really be fast about it. I have a lot of things to do today, guys, and I'm going to take you along. So please stick and stay with me, okay? I am so like elated, I don't even know. I am so elated because today is a Saturday and I am a Saturday born. So all Saturday borns, shout out to you. We rock. Let me know in the comment section if you're a Saturday born as well. Yeah, I'm just being partial. But anywho, guys, let's do this and please enjoy the vlog. Do not forget to subscribe, okay? I will see you on the other side.
It's nothing. Wanna buy you things that you wanted. Wanna find you dropped out without a choice, yeah. Hair blow round to the window, singing stupid noise. With you, I just wanna get to know ya. I wanna go far to the coast, yeah. I wanna dive fast to the ocean. I wanna know all of you. Growing old like a ghost, yeah. I wanna have kids of my own, yeah. And live a life till it's over. But until we do, it's sleeping too long.
So I am back home and I'm gonna have my breakfast. Today I'm having Lipton with some bread and I am craving for some bread with peanut butter. It's been a while, so today I decided to make some and enjoy. So this is an amazing way you can preserve your bread. We actually got like 3 loaves of bread and it was too much. So I kept this in the deep freezer. So you can see that when I'm cutting it, it's hard for the knife to go down. So it was kept in the deep freezer. And so I'm going to put it in the oven. So if you want to keep your bread fresh for maybe after a week or two, like you want to get it fresh like how it came from the oven, just put it in the deep freezer if you are not ready to use it. And I'm gonna put it in the oven and guys, it's gonna come out as fresh as it was. I just took it out, but sometimes if you don't want to put it in the oven, you can just leave it overnight and the next day, guys, it will still look fresh.
We'll be driving down the state, yeah. Looking around for the next crowd, yeah. Going our own way, trying to find a new route, yeah. We'll be going in circles, trying to find a way, searching for the things we do, yeah. Dropped out without a choice, yeah. Hair blown round to the window, singing stupid noise. Or with just wanna get to know ya. I wanna go far to the coast, yeah. I wanna drive fast to the ocean. I wanna know all of you. Growing old like a ghost, yeah. I wanna have kids of my own, yeah. Live a life till it's over. But until we do, it's sleeping soon.
Guys, you were all invited. You know that feeling when you just want to sit on the floor and eat? Oh, yes, that is how I was feeling. And that is the girls, they were also having their breakfast. And after eating, you just don't want to get up. Oh my goodness, I was feeling so lazy.
Yeah, I'm feeling a little crazy. Sat at home being lazy. Wanna travel till I'm 80, flying with you. Wanna take on the world and do something. Would you by my side like it's nothing? Wanna buy you.
So it's that time to cook, and guys, I have a very small kitchen and I had too much to do. Like, I have dirty utensils to clean. At the same time, I was cooking. Like, oh my goodness.
Oh, guys, I am tired, and I look messy. Bad. I got the work done, so that is the most important thing, okay? I couldn't record throughout the cooking because I was doing so many things at a time. The kids were running back and forth. They kept touching the tripod. I'm like, no, I'm not doing this. I'm not totally done, but we have to go somewhere. We are going to visit a family friend, so I had to pause here and continue tomorrow. Hopefully after church, then I'll complete everything. So let me show you what I was able to do. So palm soup is ready. And this is the base for okra stew. I had some okra, but guys, it has gone bad. I thought it was good. That is the leftover oil that I'll pour later when it gets warm. When it gets cold, actually. I also fried some goat meat I will use for goat meat stew tomorrow. I cleaned the area, guys. You can see this. Actually, we have some jollof, so I'm waiting for the down the under to get soft and I clean it. Okay, so I cleaned everything, some leftover jollof, some stock from the meat. This is for the girls. Yeah, so as you can see, I cleaned the area. Yep. Yeah, guys, so that is basically it for now. I'm going to end the vlog here because we are so much running late, and I'll continue tomorrow after church and end the vlog. Okay, so I think this is going to be like a weekend in my life and not just a Saturday, in my life. So catch you tomorrow. And hey guys, so today is Sunday. I plan to vlog in the morning and show you how church is and everything, but your girl was running late, so I just had to, intentionally forget. Okay, so we just got home from church, and I'm gonna continue my cooking, and I'll show you that. We also have a family friend to visit today too, so hopefully I will end the vlog early, and that will be it. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Marina, Jai. Thank you so much for sticking with me, and I'll see you later, okay?
So I finally made my goat meat stew, and this can go with everything: rice, yam, just name it. And the okra soup is also ready. The kids love it, guys. Oh my god, it's so ready and it tasted so delicious. I am also making fufu. Like, fufu is, we usually eat fufu like almost every Sunday. Yeah, in my household with some palm nut soup. So here you go. And the feel, you know, how, when you eat in that sanka. Yep. So after everything, I would dish out the rest of the stew and the soup and everything and just put it in the refrigerator for the rest of the week. Oh my goodness.
We'll be driving down state, yeah. Looking around for the next crowd, yeah. Going our own way.